Hello friends, in advanced web designing we were learning CSS. In that we have already seen inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS, and now we are moving towards more deeper part of CSS, that is selectors. We can make selectors more deeply with ID selector and class selector. So we will see what is ID selector and what is class selector in this lecture. Let's see, I have made one program here. See this hash and para1 is the name of selector. If I give hash symbol here, then you should understand that this is ID selector. What this ID selector does is these properties, that text align center and color blue, will be applicable to the ID of the particular tag. If I am using this para1 as ID to p tag, then these properties text align center and blue will get appear with paragraph tag. Let's see, I have used ID here, ID attribute with the p tag here and without ID attribute here. So the hello student will get affected by blue color and it will be aligned center, but this p tag will not get affected because the ID attribute not applied here. So let's see what is the output of this program. See, the hello student is getting affected and this another p tag is not getting affected. The limitations with the ID is that this ID can be used at single time for a particular tag. This cannot be used for more tags at the same time. This is to remember. This is ID selector, and another one, as we have seen, first is ID selector and another is class selector. How to identify ID selector is by hashtag, and this para1 is the name of that ID. You can give any name here, ABC, XYZ, your name, and that name you can specify here also. So let's move toward the class selector. We will see what is class selector. First we will see program. See, I have made one program. These all programs I have made in internal CSS, so you can understand betterly. Also program this in ID. The symbol was hash, and in class selector the symbol is dot. The dot identifies that it is a class, and hash symbols denotes that it is a ID selector. Simply this intro is the selector. Now intro selector, same properties, text align center and blue color. I have used this intro class with the class attribute in h1 tag and intro class with the class attribute in p tag. So the difference is the ID we can use, and in more tags, many tags, how many tags fonts you can use the class. So that is the advantage of class selector. So let's see, the h1's color and alignment will also be center, and P's color also be blue and alignment will be. Let's see its output. See, the H1 aligned center and its color is blue, and the paragraph tag is also aligned center and its output is in. About class selector and ID selector, you can do more examples with this. This is easier one. I hope you understand this, and we will see universal selector and group selector in next lecture. Thank you.